Hi guys, welcome back again for another Gampla review. This is Jay Lahabi and this is 1/100 scale full mechanics Calamity Gundam. As you can see, this is 1/100 scale full mechanics from the Gundam Seed Calamity Gundam. This kit is not actually a master grade kit, no? Because wala siyang inner frame, wala rin siyang mga polycap, but yung kanyang details is napakaganda. Gustong gusto ko rin yung kanyang kulay, anime accurate din siya, no? Tapos yung kanyang details is kitang kita mo. Bali hindi ko pa siya na panel line, no? Pero nailagay ko na yung kanyang sticker. This kit is actually a must buy kit. If you have a chance to get this one, get it now. Sa ngayon kasi is very limited na lang yung kanyang stock because of the popular demand. Kaya kukunti na lang yung meron nito, ano. So we are moving on for the leftovers. So meron siya natirang holding hands para sa kanyang right, no. So usually yung kanyang right hand is holding hands para doon sa bazooka, and adapter para sa stand. And actually leftover na yung isa is ginamit natin sa kanyang head, no, yung kanyang ulo, no. And ito yung natira sa kanyang stickers. As you can see, no, yung kanyang chest part, no, kitang-kita yung kanyang detail, no. Yung kanyang grills dun sa may is kitang-kita siya, no. But wala siyang cockpit or pilot figure. But it's okay, no. We are moving on for the articulation. So the head is moved like this and like so, and yung kanyang shoulder is na-extend like this. Shoulder is movable then, and this part of the shoulder is also movable. And also this part is nagagalaw din siya for the better movements, no. And this one is not actually a full 360 because yung kanyang shoulder part is sumaharap, and it comes with a ball joint. The chest part a little bit, and the whole body is you can rotate it by 360 degrees, no. Side skirt is movable, and also the front skirt is a single movable part, no. But yung kanyang back skirt naman is dual jointed. So if you move the other side will also move. And this part is almost double jointed legs. You can do side by side, and also this part of the leg is also movable for the better poses. And this one is also movable, and this one is the back area for the backpack accessories. So this part is hindi gumagalaw tong part na to, only this one is gumagalaw lang. Ito lang yung kanyang movable part, no. And this shield cannon, so yung kanyang cannon is movable. So dual jointed siya, no? In this part. It's also movable. Alright, so yung kanyang backpack, the beam cannon, the long range beam cannon is gagalaw din side by side. Yung kanyang posing is very limited. So, pinakamaganda lang dito is by standing. This one is highly recommended kit, no? So, better get this one. This one is must buy kit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe and hit nyo na rin yung bell button para mas updated tayo sa mga ganitong klaseng video natin. Isa na nga yung malaking tulong sa ating channel. So, ayun lang. Peace!